Hi guys, today you're going to watch a video that explains step two of research, and that step is to think about planning. And so you'll watch the video and you'll notice in the video that she speaks about the big ideas, which are also called categories. And so I want to get your mind thinking about some of the categories we're going to be looking at for your national parks research. So today you're going to be picking one of the four from your list that you narrowed down yesterday. Well, today you're going to narrow it down even more and you're just going to pick one from here. And then you're going to be asking yourself, what do I know already? And then what do I wonder about? What am I going to research to find out about? And here are some of the categories or the big ideas that we're going to be looking at along the way. We're going to look at the location of your national park. Even some national parks spread over the course of 2 and 3 states. Some are quite large, so we'll have you looking into that. Another category is plants and animals. Think about habitats. We've studied those already, but what specifically is the type of habitat and what types of plants and animals live there where your national park is. Another category is the temperature. What on average is the temperature there? What is the climate like? And it'll vary through the season, so we'll want you to be researching that information. Another category is historical information. What kind of historical information did you read about as you were going through your research? And then I threw another category in there just because it's fun to have fun. So along the way, you might read some fun facts that don't really fit in those other categories. So we'll be using that for our 5th category. So for today, you're going to view the video. I want you thinking about these categories, and then you're going to pick one of the national parks, and you're going to complete the Google slide where you talk about what you know, and then what do you wonder about? What do you want to know? And then that'll wrap up for this week for our research. And I know you're doing a great job. I cannot wait to see you on Monday, and we'll take it to the next step on Monday. You guys rock!